Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a basic API in Python. It's a very easy one that we can do. Python APIs can become very complex, but I'm going to show you an easy one that we can just do to give you a general understanding. We're going to do an API from this website, and we're going to get quotes, random quotes. So yeah, I'm going to copy this. If you click on this link, it'll just take you to a random quote every time. So you see there's a random quote, let's do it again. Okay, cool, so we know that works. So first we have to import requests. Then we have to import JSON. Then we're going to make our function to get this quote from this website. We're going to call this, let's actually call it get quote, get underscore quote. Then we have to do response equals request.get, and then the URL that we just got to put it in there. So it's going to get the quote from here. The next bit of code we're going to do is going to be basically formatting what it gets from here so that it's in a way that we can read it a bit easier than the way it is here, where it's, like this. Footer, we don't want any of that stuff. Okay, cool. So then we're going to go JSON underscore data is equal to JSON dot loads, and then response dot text. Then quote, oh my gosh, I can't spell. Quote is equal to JSON underscore data. We're going to need 2 square brackets here, or 2 pairs of square brackets, sorry. Then we're going to go plus, double quotes, hyphen, plus again, then JSON data again, and then another 2 square bracket pairs. I keep clicking there. Okay, cool. So here we're going to be formatting it. So we're going to get the quote over here. So that's quote. The hyphen in between is going to be between the text and the author. So it's going to be the quote, the hyphen, and who it's by. Then we put A over here. If you're wondering where I'm getting this from, let me just go back to this website real quick. Look over here. See quote there, and then author Sydney Smith, and we don't want this header or this other stuff. So we're just formatting so it comes like that. Okay, cool. And then we're just going to return quote, and then we're going to say quote. Oh gosh, I keep spelling that wrong. Quote is equal to get quote, and then we can actually print it quickly to just test it to make sure it's working. Let's see, run. Whoever is happy will make others happy too, Anne Frank. A man who requires the ability to take full possession of his own mind may take possession of anything else to which he is justly entitled. Andrew. Okay, cool. So we know it works. Now we're going to make a few modifications to it. We can ask the person if they want a quote, if they want another quote. So we're going to go user underscore input is equal to input. Then we're going to say, do you want a quote? Yes or no. And then case fold. And let's just print an empty line just so it looks neater at the end. Then we're going to go while user input is not equal to no. And if user input is equal to no, we're going to break, because the person obviously doesn't want a quote from us. Quite sad. Then aleph user input is equal to yes. Then we're going to print the quote, and then print an empty line, and then we can ask them again if they want another one, and we can say, do you want another quote? Okay, cool. and then let's just print another line there. Cool, that part's all done now. And then we can leave a little message here for when they do say no. We can say, okay, cool, come back for more quotes next time. Bye. Okay, now let's test this out. Let's just also get these lines out of here. There you go. Okay, cool. So, do you want a quote? Yes or no? Yes, we want a quote. Okay, cool. We got a quote. Do you want another quote? Yes, we do. Oh, I forgot to indent this one more to the left. That's why it's appearing there. It shouldn't be appearing. It should only appear when we say no. So let's just do that again. Run. Yes, we want a quote. Yes, we want another quote. Yes, I want another quote. Okay, I don't want any more quotes, so no. Okay, cool. Come back for more quotes next time. Bye. So basically, guys, that's how you this can be your first API, just to get an understanding of how everything works and the general concept of it. APIs do get more complex. This is a very basic one. APIs can bring back large portions of data and anything like going with the weather, football statistics, can be anything. So yeah, thank you for watching.